When it comes to reliability, Honda and Toyota aren't the only options. Several other brands build durable, low-maintenance cars worth considering. In this video, we'll highlight the most reliable car brands beyond Honda and Toyota, offering great performance and longevity. Let's dive in. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The 2024 Mazda CX-5 prioritizes driving fun over all other considerations, making it one of the greatest crossovers of the year. It offers a dynamic and nimble driving experience, making interstate cruising effortless in contrast to many of its rivals. Its small size also makes it simple to maneuver around sharp turns and in confined places, which improves driving overall. Several automotive critics have praised the CX-5 for its dependability in addition to its sporty and elegant appearance. It has a sturdy 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower or a more potent 256 horsepower. No noteworthy instances of early wear or performance problems have surfaced as of yet. The CX-5's all-wheel drive system, one of its best characteristics, provides remarkable stability on a variety of terrains, and the 6-speed automatic gearbox is dependable and smooth. Its suspension system and well-designed chassis also offer a smooth and controlled ride. The CX-5 is a reliable vehicle and a delight to drive thanks to its infotainment and driver assistance systems, which are simple to operate and devoid of frequent issues. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek continues to be one of the most well-rounded crossovers in its segment, striking the perfect balance between practicality, off-road capability, and reliability. While it may not be the flashiest SUV on the market, it excels where it truly matters: durability, efficiency, and all-terrain performance. Its rugged design is backed by a reinforced body structure and a well-tuned suspension, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and outdoor adventures. Whether you're navigating tight urban spaces or tackling dirt roads, the Crosstrek remains effortlessly composed. Under the hood, it carries two engine options: a 2.0-liter flat-4, producing 152 horsepower, and a more potent 2.5-liter flat-4 delivering 182 horsepower, exclusive to higher trims. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and respectable fuel efficiency. As expected, Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard, providing excellent stability in various weather and terrain conditions. Beyond its performance, the Crosstrek is loaded with safety and driver assistance features. Subaru's EyeSight system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking, comes as a standard package. These technologies are well integrated, responsive, and enhance overall driving confidence. Number 4. Mazda MX-5. The most recent Mazda MX-5 Miata is a clear winner if seating capacity is not a concern. In contrast to, example, the Kia K5, this two-seater is built entirely for enjoyment rather than functionality, making it the epitome of a fun-to-drive vehicle. The MX-5 has a lot to admire despite its small size, beginning with its sporty two-door drop-top design, well-tuned chassis, and exciting driving dynamics. The MX-5 Miata's dependability and captivating drivetrain are what really set it apart. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 181 horsepower is the only engine choice available. It provides a dynamic and thrilling driving experience while not being the most powerful. Customers have the option of a 6-speed manual or automatic gearbox, both of which are renowned for their dependability and seamless operation. Among the greatest shifting gearboxes on the market, the manual in particular offers an unparalleled degree of driver engagement. All things considered, the Miata values simplicity without needless complication. Its performance is anything but dull, despite its simple look. Even though it may cost up to $40,000, it is still one of the most fun sports cars available due to its sturdy construction and track record of dependability. Number 3. Subaru Impreza. Despite not being as well liked as the Forester or Crosstrek, the 2024 Subaru Impreza is still a notable model in the Subaru range. Customers are drawn to it because of its reasonable price, better chassis, and more features than the standard model. The new Impreza's improved body construction and track record of dependability have attracted many buyers. The usual engine options are still available under the hood. a 2.0-liter flat 4 with 152 horsepower, and an optional 2.5-liter flat 4 with 182 horsepower that is only available on the RS model. Both engines are made to last and can withstand prolonged operation with little upkeep. The 2024 Impreza strikes a balance between economy and power in terms of performance. Despite not being a sports vehicle, it provides a relaxing and entertaining ride. Subaru's cutting-edge EyeSight driver assist technology, which features adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and pre-collision braking, further demonstrates the company's stellar safety record. Drivers of the Impreza give these features good marks for responsiveness and integration. Number 2. Genesis G80. The 2024 Genesis G80 offers luxury on all levels for people who are prepared to spend money on a high-end driving experience. Its $58,450 beginning price makes it clear that it is intended for the upscale market. Even before you enter, the G80 exudes refinement with its elegant appearance and finely designed interior. Don't confuse its grace with weakness, though. Despite not being a Lexus, it is as durable and frequently outlasts many of its rivals in its class. The G80 has two powerful engine options under the hood: a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that produces 375 horsepower and a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces 300 horsepower. In addition to being strong, both engines are designed to endure prolonged operation without suffering appreciable wear. The G80, which comes with both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, is capable of handling a variety of road conditions. In addition to speed, the G80 is loaded with advanced safety measures and technology. Lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a full range of airbags are standard features. Comfort and security are guaranteed by these driver assistance systems, which are among the most dependable in their class. The G80's reputation as a reliable luxury sedan is further cemented by Genesis's outstanding 5-year 60,000-mile basic warranty and 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Number 1. 2024 Lexus RX. The 2024 Lexus RX continues to set the bar in the luxury SUV segment, offering premium comfort, advanced technology, and renowned reliability. With a refined design and a spacious, upscale interior, it remains a top choice for those seeking both sophistication and everyday practicality. Under the hood, the RX provides multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 275 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, while hybrid versions like the RX 350h and RX 500h enhance efficiency without sacrificing performance. The RX 500h in particular stands out with its 366 horsepower hybrid setup and standard all-wheel drive, delivering a balance of power and fuel economy. No matter the variant, Lexus ensures a smooth and composed ride, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and quiet cabin. Lexus prioritizes safety, and the RX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. These features work seamlessly, enhancing driver confidence. Known for longevity, minimal maintenance needs, and strong resale value, the RX remains a smart investment. Thanks for watching.